Hello and welcome to the Learning with Kanayi. I'm excited to welcome you to this hands-on short video on AI-powered image classification. In this video, we will explore the process and working of a classification model using artificial intelligence, understand how to create your own image recognition model, and learn how this technology is helpful in real-time application. In summary, you will learn to recognize and differentiate images, teaching AI to categorize images into multiple categories. Remember, this video is only to learning purpose. The web app use Google Teachable Machine is less reliable to developmental activities. So let's explore with AI model of your own. Hope you enjoy this video and let's dive in. For that, I'm connecting to the URL here, Teachable Machine with google.com. So when you connected with Teachable Machine, you have to click on Get Started. I'm clicking on to Image Project. There are several different aspects from the Teachable Machine perspective. You can do audio project, you can do post project, but for the demonstration purpose, I'm taking only the image project. So I'm selecting the free version, which is available with the Google AI model. This is standard image model. So the purpose one, we need to feed some data to the machine so that the machine will understand from the data. So what are the data? I'm going to give some sample data. Please follow line by line. So I'm clicking onto the webcam. I have some object with me. You can see here, I'm holding on record. So images are feeding. Different varieties of the same object from the different visual aspect, from the front view, from the back view, from the side view, everything. As many number of images I'm going to feed it to the machine, and I'm going to tell the machine this is a water bottle. Done. Class number 1 is finished. I'm going to select the second variety of object. So this time I'm going to select the favorite one, which is mobile phone. You can see I am holding the records and taking the perspective of different angles of mobile so that I will get different varieties. You can see all the different, but unfortunately, you can see that every time my hand posture is also coming with the images, which is not really good. But unfortunately, we can't do anything right now. So I'm giving the class name as mobile. Done. If you have one more classes, let us explore. Okay. I'm giving a new classes, which is something different. Okay. I'm giving a unboxing. You can see different views and angles so that as many number of images the machine is going to train really good. So I need to give the label. This is very important for me. I'm going to put this as unbox. Done. So yeah, this is the very important steps in terms of ML, AI, which is nothing but feeding the data to the machine. So you remember AI is something simulating the intelligence to the machine through passing trained data or trained information to the machine so that whenever a new information to the machine comes, machine can able to predict, classify, category, whatever the way you want. The first setup, the data collection, data feeding is completed with this particular setup. So the next thing is nothing but model training. Maybe model training will be a new terminology for you, but it's nothing but machining. Machine is nothing but trained with a load of data, or we are going to teach the machine. That's what teachable machine, or we are going to give some information to the machine so that machine is going to learn from the data. So we have a lot of parameters. There are by default number of steps, number of batches, number of learning, which is something called hyper parameters from the machine perspective, but we are not really interested. We need to For the learning password, we are giving a by default epoch of 50, batch number 16, learning rate 001. And we are going to train the model with these parameters. You can see what's happening here. The training started. Since the number of data are very less, number of classes are very less, the training will be completed in seconds. You can see the steps epochs is started. So yeah, there are 50 epochs. So it is going to start now. Yeah, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, it's continuing. It's going to start, finish in seconds. Imagine the quality of the model is always depend upon the type of images that you are going to give to the machine, either in terms of quantity or in terms of quality. So we are given only 60 images on one class, 125 in the other class, and 112 on the third class. But unfortunately, there are some noise to the data, my hand, the posture not proper. All this going to affect the categorization properly. It's very similar to our human eye, where if the first vision is not clear, we may not be able to recognize in the future. So yeah, so we are already trained the model. And if you want to export the model is already ready. So model is nothing but a mathematical representation of this particular structure. It will be in different format where the computer can able to read. So this particular option will be giving a downloadable model where you can use this and retain for your future checks and inspection. But right now, I'm more interested to check in real time. So I have webcam in front. This is my webcam and I'm going to pass one item to this. You can see on the output side, there are three inferences. Either it can be water bottle or it can be mobile or it can be an iron box. So based upon three item probabilistic model will be created, which type of object is in front of the webcam. You can see. So when I'm passing the mobile in front of that, yeah, it's actually giving a proper result, 70 to 80%. When you put little back, you can see that this is decreasing the probabilistic numbers. But as a reality, you can see here with this position, 97% it's clearly predicting that particular object belongs to a mobile phone. Let us inference with the second object. I have my iron box. You can see here. Is it predicting good? With all the different angle, it's predicting almost 100. The quality of images we are given good to this particular category. Yep, we can see there. Unfortunately, there are 1-2% coming on the other side as well. Doesn't matter. No model is going to predict 100% accuracy. So which is universal truth. But yeah, with this condition, we are getting almost 89 to 90%, 95 to 100. Yeah, this is perfectly good model for us to predict the three different classes. Let us take the inference from the last. You can see, yeah, water bottle. I'm putting this way. Yeah, it's still giving good answer. But when I'm putting this, yeah, perfect answer. Water bottle with a 90%, 100% accuracy. This is really good. Yes, this is an image classification problem using teachable machine, which is prepared, a web app prepared by Google. So if you want to customize with your own data, definitely some kind of coding setup is required. If you want to build more quality to the data, yep, number of data should be good. Number of good quality data should be good. So this is just learning purpose, how deep learning works, how image problem can be handled. With that, I just want to conclude the experimentation. This is nothing but image classification model with deep learning using Google Teachable Machine. Thank you once again for joining this video. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned with Learning with Kanayi. Thank you so much for watching the video once again.